Welcome back to Viva Vitality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of immune health. With the ever-present challenges to our immune systems, it's crucial to arm ourselves with the right tools. And what better way than by sipping on some delicious and immune-boosting beverages? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 drinks that can help supercharge your immune system, backed by science. So, grab your favorite mug, sit back, and let's get started. Number 1. Orange juice. Coming in at number 1, we have the classic orange juice. Now, you've probably heard that vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system, and that's absolutely correct. But let's delve into the science behind it. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which plays a pivotal role in supporting our immune function. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are our body's defense against infections. Additionally, it acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage. So, pour yourself a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice for a vitamin C boost. Number 2. Green smoothie. At number 2, we have the vibrant and nutrient-packed green smoothie. Green smoothies are a fantastic way to load up on vitamins and minerals that bolster our immune system. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like zinc. These nutrients help regulate immune responses, improve the production of antibodies, and strengthen our defense against infections. Plus, the fiber in green smoothies supports a healthy gut, which is closely linked to immune health. Blend up some greens and fruits for a tasty immune-boosting treat. Number 3. Ginger tea. Next up, we have ginger tea, a soothing and potent immune booster. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can weaken the immune system over time. Additionally, ginger has been shown to have antimicrobial effects, which can help fend off infections. So, the next time you're feeling under the weather, sip on some warm ginger tea to give your immune system a much-needed boost. Number 4. Chamomile tea. Coming in at number 4, we have the calming chamomile tea. While it's renowned for its ability to relax and improve sleep, chamomile tea also plays a role in supporting immune health. Chamomile contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system's response to threats. Plus, chamomile tea can alleviate stress, and stress hormones can suppress immune function. So, a cup of chamomile tea before bed not only aids relaxation but also helps keep your immune system in tip-top shape. Number 5. Say no to alcohol. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have a surprising entry: alcohol. That's right. Abstaining from excessive alcohol consumption is a crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy immune system. Excessive alcohol can impair the function of immune cells, making it harder for your body to defend against pathogens. It can also disrupt sleep patterns and dehydrate the body, both of which can weaken your immune response. So, cutting back on alcohol or abstaining altogether can go a long way in supporting your immune system. And there you have it, our top 5 drinks to support immune health, all backed by science. Remember, a healthy diet and lifestyle are key to maintaining a robust immune system. So, whether you're sipping on that glass of fresh orange juice or winding down with a chamomile tea, you're making a positive step towards better immune health. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and until next time, keep boosting that immune system.